To copy and paste on the Samsung Galaxy S26, we got actually two methods. The first one, if you are on any website or email, you have to just click and hold with your finger on the text. And now by using these two blue dots, you can just expand and select any text that you want. And now you can click copy. And now if you want to pass this, for example, into notes, let's search for the notes, let's open it. And now what you have to do is just to click and hold in the empty space and click paste. There we go. But what if you want to copy something that is not, that you cannot select? For example, if I'm gonna go here for modes and routines, and I want to click and hold it, it is not working. Well, you have to click and hold this part, that line at the bottom of the screen, and use circle to search. This will allow you to click and hold and copy any text that you have, even on some images. So we copy, now you paste it by clicking and holding and selecting paste.